Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. Welcome to the Ethical Hacker Training course based on CEH certification program by EC Council. Module Cryptography, Section Cryptography Tools. These are some of the popular cryptography tools: OpenSSH, PuTTY, SSH, WinSCP, PGP, GPG. This is the web page of OpenSSH. OpenSSH is based on SecureShell protocol, SSH protocol, to secure network communications via the encryption of network traffic over multiple authentication methods and provide secure tunneling capabilities. OpenSSH is the connectivity tool for remote SSH login. OpenSSH is a fork of the SSH program by Tatu Lonen, first released as part of OpenBSD in 1999 under BSD license. Current version is 7.6, released in 2017. OpenSSH is integrated into all BSD projects and all Linux flavors. Microsoft supports OpenSSH on Windows and accessible through Windows PowerShell. OpenSSH is a premier connectivity tool for remote login with the SSH protocol. It encrypts all the traffic to eliminate eavesdropping, connection hijacking, and other attacks. OpenSSH provides a large suite of secure tunneling capabilities, several authentication methods, and sophisticated configuration options. The OpenSSH suite consists of these tools. Remote operations are done using SSH, SCP, SFTP. Key management with SSH add, SSH key sign, SSH key scan, and SSH keygen. The service side consists of SSHD, SSH daemon, SFTP server, SSH agent. OpenSSH is developed by a few developers of the OpenBSD project and made available under BSD style license. OpenSSH being a great suite of tools incorporated into many commercial products. SecureShell provides secure encrypted communication between two hosts over an insecure network. This replaces insecure Telnet or login or SSH alternatives. Most Unix users run the open source OpenSSH server and client. PuTTY is popular on Windows and also available for mobile devices. This is the web page of PuTTY. PuTTY is a free implementation of SSH and Telnet for Windows and Unix platforms, along with an XTerm terminal emulator. It is written and maintained primarily by Simon Tatum. Latest version is 0.70, released in 2017. PuTTY is a hand tool for all the network professionals. There will not be a network professional who doesn't know about PuTTY. WinSCP is free SFTP, SCP, and FTP client for Windows. This is integrated into one software program for file transfer to FTP server or secure SFTP server. WinSCP 5.11.2 is released in 2017. SSH, SecureShell. This is all where the story began. SSH is a software package that enables secure system administration and file transfers over insecure networks. It is used in nearly every data center in every larger enterprise. This page is maintained by the inventor of SSH, Tatu Lonen. He wrote SSH1.x and SSH2.x and still works on the related topics. The open source OpenSSH implementation is based on his free version. No PGR GPG. This is a complete and free implementation of the OpenPGP standard as defined by the RFC 4880. GPG features. It allows to encrypt and sign your data on communication, versatile key management system, as well as access module for all kinds of public key directories, command line tool with features for easy integration with other applications. For GPG, a wealth of front-end applications and libraries are available, and it provides support for /mine and SecureShell. Semantic acquired PGP and Semantic PGP desktops and servers are launched. PGP. This is an acronym for Pretty Good Privacy. This is an encryption program that provides cryptographic privacy and authentication for data communication. PGP is used for signing, encryption and decrypting tags, emails, files and directories, and all disk partitions, and to increase the security of email communications. Safeguard data on computers, laptops, tablets, hard drives, removable media, files, email system, and cloud-based applications, including SaaS, allowing you to collaborate with confidence. Protect data and facilitate compliance without compromising performance. Thanks for watching.